Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our update on Typhoon Bising with international name Surigae. And this is now the final update for this Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest from windy.com satellite animation. As you can see, the storm is still intact, but the winds has lessened, and it's just around 185 kph, category 3. Downgraded from a category 4 typhoon last night, and it's now still moving very slowly towards the northeast at a speed of 7 kph, which is located just to the east of Batanes group of islands, far away, but the westernmost wind bands will still affect the island group. Also the northern and eastern coastal areas of Cagayan Valley, so expect some breezy conditions and cloudy skies with on and off showers as of today. And for the next 24 hours, it will start to accelerate towards the northeast, going that way, and it will continue to weaken further due to unfavorable upper level winds across the North Philippine Sea. Elsewhere, if we look at the Philippine Islands, we have some good weather now occurring across almost most of the Philippine Islands, except for some thunderstorms being produced by a localized southwesterly surface wind flow, westerly to southwesterly, and it's bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms across Iloilo area, Guimaras, eastern, western Negros, and the southern portions of Iloilo. So watch out for lightning strikes and possible flash floods when we have very strong thunderstorms, and also over the Sulu archipelago, and some cloudy conditions will be expected as well in various parts of Mimaropa, as well as some portions of the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest from our Philippine update on this system, as well as weather conditions all throughout the Philippines. So good weather will be expected in the coming days as we return to normal weather. And here's the zoom out satellite animation showing the storm in respect with the Western Pacific. So outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, it's all clear. We don't have any succeeding tropical disturbances that could become a tropical cyclone. We have here a shallow LPA just to the southeast of Chuuk State in central Micronesia. It is not expected to intensify, and it will just be there lingering over the central portions of the Micronesian islands. So this is the last track we issued around 5 a.m. this morning. This is update for update number 13. As you can see here, it will start to move towards the east-northeast, then a little bit more to the southeast, and eventually towards the east. It could become an extratropical cyclone or a subtropical cyclone within the next 5 to 6 days. So this is the 5 to 6 days. This is the time that the system will start to transform into an extratropical cyclone or subtropical cyclone, as being absorbed by a passing frontal system to the north. And here's the Asian tracks. All the Asian agencies suggest the system, same tracks, moving towards the east and east-northeast, away from the Philippine Sea. By the way, it will move out of the Philippine area of responsibility. So this is the PAR sometime morning of Sunday, April 25. So on April 25 or even on Saturday, we'll be issuing the final advisory on Typhoon Bising, as it is no longer a threat to our country, but we are still continuing to issue every 12-hour updates as it moves farther away from the country or the Philippine Sea. Now let's take a look at our forecast. So by tomorrow, Friday, we expect some showers and thunderstorms across portions of Mindanao, Palawan, as well as some portions of Visayas, particularly here over Rojas City area. There could be some thunderstorms around 4 p.m. tomorrow. So here in the Bicol region, some light southwesterly surface wind flow as well. being enhanced locally by the departing Typhoon Bising. The rest of Luzon will remain hot and sunny, dry, with some cloudy conditions. So far, that's the forecast for tomorrow, and by tomorrow, we are returning to our usual tropical weather analysis for the Philippines. That's 3 times a day, MWF. So tomorrow, Friday, before we set into the weekend, we are going to give you the latest for the next 3 days for the Philippine Islands. Now, let's take a look at our global tropics hazards and benefits outlook before we say goodbye from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. This is valid for April 27. Above average rainfall will be expected over the eastern sections of Luzon because of the departing Typhoon Bising, while dry conditions will set in over the areas of Southeast Asia near the equator, affecting also Mindanao. So dry conditions will be expected until Monday. And on week 2, April 28 to May 4, it looks like we will be having some normal conditions, meaning dry conditions, hot sunny skies with some cloudy conditions in the afternoon or evening, and some possible isolated rain showers and thunderstorms may be expected during the week 2. So it's all quiet across the Western Pacific without any tropical cyclone development beginning next week until May 4. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday, April 22, and we'll be returning again tomorrow for usual normal tropical weather analysis. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.